This is an older automation device called a solid-state limit programmer. This device was used prior to PLCs becoming popular for various position output control. Here we are doing a test on one we have pulled out of a customer's machine, which has a fault, and we will be going over the tests of finding that issue. So here we have the control board, and as you can see, we have where the damage occurred as far as the short, which has been resolved. Now we are going to do our tests and make sure the unit is functioning. So what we have here is the absolute encoder from the machine, which we will be rotating with this drill in order to get the appropriate response on the outputs. What we should see is a change of line states on the oscilloscope going down as we rotate the device. We will also see each of these relays firing in sequence. So now we will go ahead and put the oscilloscope on the first channel, which is position 6. And we will go ahead and run the encoder. So here you can see the relays firing, and you can see on the oscilloscope the change of line states. Now we will show the next line state. And the relays on the board firing. We will test the next channel. And we will look at the oscilloscope. And finally, go to our last channel. Now we will observe the encoder position and all of the data displays here. So as you can see, it is reading encoder positions as we rotate the device. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.